Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can save an image in PNG in Photoshop. So firstly open up your Photoshop, then open the image that you want to save. So after the image is opened, go to file, click on save a copy, then click on the drop box in the save type. Then if you see down below, you will find PNG. Simply press on that and then just simply press save. But for some reason if you're unable to see the PNG over here, what you can do is just simply cancel this, then go to edit, then click on preference, then go in file handling and make sure to enable legacy save as. After that just simply press OK, then again go to file, save a copy, click on the Dropbox, then click on PNG, and after that simply press save, then click on OK, and now the image has been saved as PNG, which you can see right over here. But there is also another way of saving an image as a PNG. Let me show you how. So what you have to do is just simply click on file, then export as, then in the format section simply choose PNG, again export, choose a destination, rename it, then save, and it will now save as PNG, which you can see right over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.